Welcome to the ultimate showdown of carpet cleaning companies. With so many options out there, it's hard to know which one to choose. But fear not, we've got the lowdown on which company reigns supreme. First up, we have Carpet Cleaners R Us. They claim to be the most affordable, but their cleaning leaves something to be desired. Their machines might be cheap, but their results are even cheaper. You'll be left with carpets that look like they've been vacuumed, but not much else. Next, we have Super Clean Carpets. They advertise their state-of-the-art equipment, but it's all just smoke and mirrors. Their machines might be new, but they lack the power to get deep into your carpets and truly clean them. You'll be left with a surface-level clean, but you'll still be able to see dirt and stains lurking beneath the surface. Finally, we have Rockstar Carpet Cleaning. These guys know how to rock your carpets clean. They use the most advanced technology and equipment to get deep into your carpets and remove all dirt and stains. Their team of expert cleaners are knowledgeable, friendly, and professional, ensuring that your carpets are left looking and feeling like new. So why should you choose Rockstar Carpet Cleaning? Well, for starters, they use eco-friendly and pet-friendly cleaning solutions, so you don't have to worry about harmful chemicals in your home. They offer a 100% satisfaction guarantee, so if you're not happy with their service, they'll make it right. They have competitive pricing and offer specials and discounts throughout the year. They have a proven track record of satisfied customers and glowing reviews. So there you have it, folks. When it comes to carpet cleaning in Sacramento, Rockstar Carpet Cleaning is the clear winner. Don't settle for cheap machines and lackluster cleaning. Go with the Rockstars and experience the ultimate carpet cleaning service. Ready to book your appointment with Rockstar Carpet Cleaning? Head over to www.rockstarcarpetcleaning.com now and schedule your cleaning today. Your carpets and your feet will thank you.